Hey, today I'm going to teach you something really fun, how to take an old photo and make it move. Bring it to life. All you need is your phone and the free app. I'm using an iPhone, but if you have an Android, the steps are almost the same. We're going to do 3 things today. 1. Install an AI chatbot app. 2. Animate a photo. 3. Download it and share it with your family. That's it. Let's go. First, what are we installing? It's called a chatbot app. Think of it like a really smart assistant that lives on your phone. You type or talk to it, and it helps you do things, write a message, answer a question, or in our case, animate a photo. There are a few out there: Meta AI, ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, Claude. They all do similar things. Today we'll use Meta AI because it's free and it's really easy to use. In future tutorials, I'll show you the others too. Okay, so open your App Store. If you're on Android, it's the Play Store. Now tap search icon at the bottom. In the search bar at the top, type Meta AI. There it is. See the little cloud icon? Tap it. And that's it. It's installed. And there it is, Meta AI, ready to go. Next, it'll ask you to sign in. If you already have a Facebook or Instagram account, you can use that. Today, I'll use the option that says use mobile number or email to create a new account. It only takes about 1 minute. First, enter a valid email address you can access. You'll need it soon, as Meta will send a confirmation code. Enter your date of birth. Meta AI needs to verify that you are an adult. Next, choose a secure password and save it in your phone's keychain or password manager. I've removed the one I entered from the recording for obvious reasons. Now we're on the account details page. See the username field? That will be your username. This field is filled automatically. Meta chooses one for you, but you can change it if you'd like. On this screen, you can also upload a nice photo of yourself and enter your name. But this part is optional. Tap Confirm. Last step. Meta will send a confirmation code to the email address you entered in step 1. Open your email, copy the code, type it in here, and tap Next. And we're in. Perfect. Now we can start editing pictures. The first thing you'll see is a notification pop-up. Feel free to choose whichever option you prefer. We are now on the home page. At the top right, you'll see the menu button. Next to it is the Meta AI title, and beside that, an icon for glasses. You'll only use that if you have a Ray-Ban Meta device. In the middle of the screen, you'll see a set of conversation starters. These are here to help you begin chatting with the Meta AI app. At the bottom, you'll see the prompt box, and the keyboard is already open to allow you to start typing your message. Okay, now that we're on the home page, look at the first conversation starter. Animate my photo. Tap on it. This will open your photo gallery so you can choose a picture to animate. If this is your first time using the app, it may ask for access to your photos. To upload a picture, you'll need to grant Meta AI permission to access your gallery. Don't worry, you can change this permission later if you want. Now, from your Photos app or wherever your picture is stored, select the photo you'd like to animate. I'll tap on this one. The app already understands what to do with it. Now we're on a new screen. At the top, you can see the photo you selected as a small thumbnail, and underneath it, you'll see the text, Animate my photo, the same option we tapped on from the home page. This screen is called the conversation view, because that's exactly what you're doing. You're having a conversation. Think of AI as a friend you're talking to. Now give it a few seconds while the AI generates the animation. You can see the progress animation while it's working. While the image is generating, you can stay here and wait, or even leave the app and come back later. Usually it only takes a few seconds, so I'll wait here for it to finish. And there we go, the animation is complete. You can see the result right here in the conversation view. Tap on the result to open and play it. This dark screen is the editor view. Here you can review the result. And if you want to change something, think about what you change and tell the AI. Just tap Edit, type what you want in the prompt box. The more details you give, the closer the result gets to what you imagined. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to edit your prompt until you get exactly what you like. Remember, you can do this with any generated animation. I'll start again from the conversation view. Tap anywhere on the animation you created to open the editor view. When the editor view opens, you'll see several options at the bottom: edit, music, lip sync, voice, and more. Let's tap edit. This opens the prompt box. As I mentioned earlier, this is where you guide the AI through conversation. A prompt is simply a short instruction that tells the AI what you want. If you want to edit the resulted animation, just type a new prompt in the text box. You can say something like, make it slower and more gentle, or make them hug tighter. Just describe what you want in simple, natural words. So this time I'm going to be more specific. I'll type, she gently holds him close, he smiles with joy. Both visible, facing camera, black and white, 9:16 vertical, slow smooth movement. Tap send and let's see. Now what happens is that Meta returns you to the conversation view where the animation is being generated, just like the first time. You'll see the loading indicator. We wait a bit, just a few seconds. It shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Okay, it's completed. Tap on it to view the result. See the difference? More detail gives better results, because the AI has a much clearer understanding of what you want instead of guessing. The more specific you are about motion, emotion, style, and framing, the closer the output gets to your idea. Okay, you love your result. Now let's save and share it. Tap on the result you like. Once you're in edit mode, you'll see a few options. Option 1, tap the 3 dots, then tap save. You'll see a download indicator, and that's it. The animation is now saved to your photo gallery. Another way to save it, look at the arrow icon in the top right corner. Tap it. The share sheet will open at the bottom. Here you'll see multiple options. I'm scrolling through them now. There are many apps available depending on what you have installed on your phone. If you go all the way to the end of the list, you'll also see a save button here. You can use this as well to download your animation. It does exactly the same thing as the previous method. It saves the file to your device. If you tap it, you will again see the download animation. If you don't want to download it, but instead want to share it directly, you can do that too. Tap on copy link. You can share straight to any app shown in the list like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others you have installed. Just tap the app you want and it will open directly, allowing you to choose the contacts or the audience you want to share with. So let's look at what you just did. You set up Meta AI. And the hard part's over, by the way. You only do that once. You brought an old photo to life. You made it even better with a simple prompt. And you made someone's whole day with it. All of that in one sitting. Now go try it and have fun bringing your memories to life. If you remember one thing from this tutorial, working with AI is simpler than you think. You start a conversation, ask for something, and look at the result. If you change anything, think about what you'd change and just tell it. That's it. That's the whole trick. Not scary, just helpful.